So hey Taniel, I want to show you now the movie theater that is finished now.
Okay, but here's the thing. Movie theaters, the lights are never turned on, like fully blasting. So I want to walk into this movie theater as if the movie's just about to begin so I can get the full effect of the light and the ambiance, okay?
Yeah,
All right.
we can do that.
Uh-huh. I love the ceiling. Wow. Oh, it's like sparkling lights in the sky. Oh, this is so comfortable. This is, it does look, oh yeah. It's like the VIP theater.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I can just go to sleep. Oh, okay, just wake me up when the movie's over. This is great. So comfortable. So, 16?
14 seats.
14.
Yes. And it has all the surround sound system. The screen is over there in the front, of course. We have the projector here.
Yeah, this is awesome. So can the owners and the renters just kind of reserve this spot?
Then you reserve it just for you and your friends, your guests.
Yeah.
And you put your Netflix account and there you go.
Movie night, sports game, anything you want. This is great. And I think the co-working is adjacent, right?
It's just next door.
Okay, stunning. They did a fantastic job with this. Wow, that's beautiful. Roberto, that movie experience was exactly what I was hoping for. It was fantastic. Oh my gosh, and the co-working space. This is awesome. I didn't get a chance to see this last time. It looks great.
Yeah, and it's 100% done now.
It's 100% done. There's someone working over there. Hi.
Yeah. So imagine you need to work on your computer, or your guests need to work on their computer. They can just come here and plug in and start working.
Yeah, because you know what? I mean, you want to get out of the house. You know, you don't want to be indoors all the time working. So coming over here, you have a dedicated workspace. This is great. And you could also have like co-workers coming over, or if you got a couple, you're both working, you can come here. What a fantastic space. Again, the romantic zone, this kind of a space with this stylish look and feel and this massive area doesn't exist. This is fantastic. Developer did a superb job. Do you see a lot of owners and renters using the space?
Yeah, they're already using their areas.
Wow, awesome.